Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to access Google Workspace Admin Console. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in order to access it, you need to go to admin.google.com and sign in with the account that you have created the workspace with. I'm also going to log in with my admin account. Once done, you'll see an interface just like this. I'll just skip it and the dashboard will be displayed. Here you can see how many users you have, how many deleted users you have, and the plans you currently have. Remember that you will only be paying for the active accounts. Even if you create a new account and delete it, then you won't be charged for the account. You might have it showing here for a while now that you were being charged for an account that you have deleted, but give it some time and it will be refreshed and you'll only be charged for the active accounts, not the deleted accounts. So here, you can check your domains and also your dashboard. You can see which devices are used, you can see which apps you have, your reports, your billing, you can add admins, you can change domains, and much more. So let's say you're just getting started, you want to add a new member, you're gonna go here and add a new member. Give them a name, type in their primary email, enter a secondary email, and then it will automatically generate a password and give it to you. You just need to share it with your team member and they will be able to log into your workspace. So that's basically how you can access Google Workspace Admin Console. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.